People ask, do I have a case? People should definitely speak with an experienced compensation lawyer to find out if they have a case or a potential compensation claim. Often people know they do, and surprisingly, often people don't. In a case where someone has had a traffic accident and they were hurt, and definitely if someone ran into you and it wasn't your fault, you will very likely have a case. If you have an accident at work and sustain an injury, you may well have a claim. There are lots of things to be considered. There are lots of situations where people have claims. From a legal perspective, having a case or a claim is based on you suffering some kind of injury due to someone being negligent or breaching a duty of care that is owed to you. There are definitely situations where it isn't obvious that you have a case. That is why it is good to see an experienced lawyer. I can't stress enough the importance of seeing an experienced lawyer. And by that I mean a lawyer who practices exclusively in personal injuries or compensation law, who will spend a fair bit of time with you and ask you quite a lot of questions and listen carefully to you about what happened. Lots of personal injury lawyers will give you a free case assessment and/or a free second opinion, for that matter. There are websites with claim checkers on them. Honestly, these don't really provide reliable or accurate information. They're really just a lead generating marketing tool to get you to contact that firm. I dare say there are a number of experienced personal injury lawyers who have had people come to see them for a second opinion, as the first lawyer they saw told them there was nothing that they could do. Usually, people have a good instinct that they have been wronged and can do something about it. I would encourage people to follow that instinct and find a lawyer who will listen and ask questions to really explore the possibility of making a claim. There are lots of people who have been hurt who don't think they have a claim. If you've been hurt, you should be seeing a lawyer to make sure. If my car is making a strange noise, I may think it's not a big deal, but I'd go and get it checked. If you have suffered an injury and you are not sure, get some advice from an experienced personal injury lawyer about your situation. And of course, there are also strict time limits to bringing a case. In most cases, you have only 3 years from the date of your injury to bring a case. Sometimes it's actually much less than 3 years. If you are out of time, you may still have a case, so it's important to see a lawyer as soon as possible.